In the ideal era of intelligent manufacturing, every upsurge and every achievement rest on an excellent belief. As a leader promoting the transformation of the grain processing machinery industry, Inner Mongolia YONGMING Machinery aims to build a famous brand through integrity and create a bright future through good services. YONGMING always perseveres in manufacturing quality products through innovation and gathers strength for development through manufacturing. YONGMING Machinery forges ahead, innovates, and undertakes its mission. Founded by seizing opportunities with foresight, YONGMING Machinery has devoted itself to manufacturing produce and food processing machinery, promoted development through good services, and gradually formed a complete industrial chain offering products, solutions, and services. Core competitiveness, innovation, and good services have constituted the great driving forces for YONGMING Machinery to forge ahead. A craftsman who wishes to do his work well must first sharpen his tools. YONGMING Machinery has always persevered in high-quality development, so it has introduced multiple kinds of domestic and foreign automatic precision production machines. YONGMING Machinery has become a leader in intelligent manufacturing by attaching importance to every detail and link. To be a pioneer and leader, YONGMING Machinery has constantly made more commitments to customers and met domestic and foreign customer demands for medium and large-size produce husking machinery, ancillary machinery, screening machinery, oil extracting machinery, intensive processing machinery, and complete processing lines. Now it has developed multiple standard processing lines for grain processing. In terms of production and quality control, we solve key problems through careful research and promote efficient control through efficient production. Through the combination of scientific management and innovation, we take full advantage of cutting-edge technologies and advanced equipment in a vigorous, efficient, and orderly way. Talents are the foundation for industrial innovation and rapid corporate development. So, technical development and personnel training are always YONGMING Machinery's strategic goals. YONGMING Machinery Research, Development, and Design Center has a professional and skilled service team persevering in exploration and innovation. They have successively obtained more than 20 independent intellectual property rights and are applying for 5 invention patents. YONGMING Machinery forges ahead to fulfill dreams through innovation. At present, it has deeply cooperated with the Grassland Machinery Research Office of the Institute of Grassland Research of CAAS, Jiangnan University, Hutao College, and other key research institutes and universities to promote the intelligent upgrading and renewal of manufacturing equipment. YONGMING Machinery strives for top-notch quality to exceed customers' expectations, contributing to the rise of China's manufacturing industry. Further participating in the Belt and Road Cooperation, YONGMING Machinery, as a Chinese manufacturer, has entered Central Asia, the Middle East, East Europe, Africa, etc. Moreover, it has set up a branch in Kazakhstan and an overseas business division in Linha, which show the great efforts made by YONGMING Machinery for the rise of China's manufacturing industry, while providing good services for global customers. Today, every step forward made by YONGMING Machinery shows the rapid development of the times. Over the years, YONGMING Machinery has constantly made achievements. All the achievements show our industrial experience accumulated over the years and our solid strength trusted by customers. This is Inner Mongolia YONGMING Machinery, which is poised for takeoff with irresistible force. After nearly 20 years of development in the machinery manufacturing industry, we are determined to promote the mechanization, of global animal husbandry and agriculture. Looking to the future, we will stay true to our original aspiration, seek development with ingenuity, and scale new business heights with determination.